our channel Kids Happiness. So today I'm gonna unbox this Magic Crate box. I'm gonna unbox this Magic Crate box, and this box is for 8 to 10 years. But I'm unboxing it because my younger sister, because the things inside this is a bit hard for my younger sister, so that's why. And the MRP of this box is 1099. And if you buy this box as subscription, you will get some more a little bit of discount. So that's why we are buying it as a subscription for like 1 month or 2 months like that. And if you want to buy this box, go to the site www.magiccrate.in and we'll give a link down below in the description box. And this is how the box looks like. Now let's get into the video and unbox it. So the topic of this box is hydraulic. Let's open it. When we open, we'll get this something like instruction paper, like that thing. So in this box, it is an index paper, and in this box we get hydraulics magazine, then lifting jack and excavator. Then the next thing we get is the magazine, and inside the magazine there is an index, and it says section 1, what is hydraulics? Experiment 1, liquids cannot be compressed. Then section 2, the hydraulic system. Experiment 2, simple hydraulic system. Activity 1, lifting jack. And section 3, applications of hydraulic systems. Car braking system. Activity 2, excavator. And it is like a small textbook. It explains everything, so it is better to keep them safe, so we can use it for our science exhibitions, or like in your schools you can use them. So I'm gonna keep it safe. And the next thing we get is the activities, and the first activity we get is lifting jack. And what is this? And this is a pipe. It's a transparent pipe. Then we get the next activity is excavator. And that's all. Now the box is empty. So now let's open the first activity called the lifting jack. I'm done with the work and this is the final result. Now let's switch it. La, 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 la. So this is how it works. But this part, this one and this one was a little bit hard for me to do. But still, this is my final result. It became so good. I'm so happy that it worked out. That's it. Now let's keep it aside and do the next work. Now let's go to the next one, and that is excavator. things that I made, and the excavator was so hard to make. And this thing, right? What is its name? Yeah, lifting jack was a bit hard, but not much like the excavator. But I like both of them. I like to play with these kind of things. Yeah, so that's all. And then if you wanna buy these subscription boxes, I have given the link down in the description box. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to our channel and give me a like, please. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And also, before going, do click the bell shape icon near the subscribe button. Bye bye.